I just seen a flash. Well, that's a nice one. Yes, sir. So far, the salmon fishing has been slow. Got out here early. What time we get out here?
6. Well, after 6, I think.
About 6 o'clock, a little after 6. Was jigging for a while and it wasn't working. Tried all kinds of different colors, and so now we're going to troll it for a little while. There's a crap ton of boats out here. Might be kind of hard to see, but a lot of guys. Looks like we're taking the original route, huh?
Once this boat passes, I'm going to start turning and I'm going to get in front of that other boat that's there. I don't want to get too close in there.
This is about right where we were when you were coming back this way, when you were reeling that in.
Yep.
But we went along all that edge to the mouth, remember?
Yep.
And then came back out.
Then came out. Yep.
Well, remember, it was later in the day.
It was. Yeah, there's nobody here either.
Yeah, right.
Start sending over here, I think. I think that's what it was. I think it maybe like 45 minutes, an hour after the badger took off, and that's when it was. Some people started playing.
So last year we went in about yay far away from the shore and followed it all the way around. Up there where the sailboat is about the mouth where the river is at. And that's where all the salmon make their run up through the Marquette. And then we were coming where these two boats are right in front of us. We were coming back this way. And that's where we were picking them up. But you have to go against the current, it seems, not with the current, because they're following the current into the river system. Fish on, fish on. There it is. You're gonna be fighting that for a minute. Is it? Fish on, guys. You think he's gonna run?
Yeah.
He's running. I wish I could put you guys on here, but I gotta pay attention to this fish. I just seen a flash. Oh, that's a nice one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here, I'll grab you guys so you can see too. Get your ding dangs.
Get my ding dang out. So I can get hooked.
We didn't bring the club. What do you want me to do to help?
Just gotta figure out how many is it so tangled.
Doing? And you're casting out and letting more line out? Like how much?
I don't know, I'm just going 3-4 times. Rubber ball, 4 or 8, like 60 foot, 60 to 20 foot pass is what I'm doing.
Maybe it'll work better if you sit down and not anticipate it. You were sitting down yesterday.
Drew, watch your head. Almost dead.
Man.
I think that's what it is. I keep seeing that pole bend over like that, so I can't see the fish out. Everybody's trying to see a big fish coming in. From what Luke told me, he's like, this old timer was telling him, he's like, I don't know if it's true or not. But I don't think it is. He said when they first come into the lake, they won't get the pool in there for a couple days, and then they'll start feeding before they go out and shoot up the fish. I think that's bullshit.
Oh, that's a bee, Prue. Quick, Prue.
There's a fish.
You got a fish?
Yeah. That's you. I'm gonna get this one in. You're okay, buddy.
Damn it, dude, that's way the fuck out there.
I know, I got it. Holy crap. How's it feel? These guys
Just watching him do it, he just fucking off.
He's not deep either. He's got some surface at all?
Yeah,
Big one?
yeah. I'm trying to keep steady ripple.
Yeah. Once he sees the ball, he's going to die. That's a magic lure right there, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
MADMAN Fishing. Ooh, I'm shaking a little bit, dude.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm excited for you. What do you think of that? Ooh, that thing bigger than you.
Bruce, look at it. That's a big one.
That's a nice one. Let me get up here and let me grab it. Take a picture. Put that on Facebook. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's see how big he is. I've got a tape measure right on the side of that. Of my thing right here.
Where?
Right here. 30 and a half. 41.
Now we need to slide him in there and have his head this way and then we can cut his gills.
Hit that bottom switch. Lift up my seat.
Just grab that leg, slice his gills. Right arm on it.
Oh, my fucking like this one.
Is that right when you were saying hey, we're working like crazy?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
That outside.
Yeah, that's so cool. That ain't like bass fishing.
Oh no, no.
All I'm thinking
Definitely
is
not.
make sure I feel the tension on the line all the time and don't, yeah. I'm just glad everybody stayed away and let us do what we need to do.
That's what I was looking at, because usually if we get picture of it, I look right around right where everybody is and try to steer with no focus.
Right.
Yeah, we were deserving of that one.
Yeah.
We'll see if we
That salmon tastes good, huh?